Guys, my name is Avery, and we are the Sassies. Today we're going to be doing is unboxing Fidget. So this is like a fidget bag. I was about to say fidget box, but it's a bag, I guess. Yeah. So do you want to? Okay, so we're gonna do this randomly. So close your eyes, and then you gotta pick one. Okay?
Glasses.
Yeah. Okay, pick one randomly. Okay. You're gonna pick that one. So this is a fidget spinner dimple. That looks so cool. There's like a cool design.
I almost got the big one, Aya.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Just let's show them the design. Here's the design. It's like tie-dye. This looks really cool.
Where's the other one?
Okay, ready? Test it. Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
It like pops and stuff.
Try.
Did you hear that? Okay, wait. Can I borrow? Is it cool? And then do the loud side. It's so satisfying. Cool. Okay, now can I spin it? Oh, that feels so good. Whoa, look.
Okay.
I like this so far. What do you give this? What? 1 to 10?
1 to 10.
Like 1 out of 10, like
10 to 10.
10 out of 10. I give it a 9 because the hard side, there's a side which is hard, but it's good. It's like loud, just really fun. Okay, my turn. Oh, I know. Okay, marble mash. So there's like a marble and it's a mesh. Okay, there's another one. We have like 2 of these. Can you find the purple?
I find 3.
What, 3?
I think.
There's 3. I thought there was only 2.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if there's more. But so we got, what color are those, Avery?
Blue, pink, and purple. My favorite color.
That's so cool. Look, you can do this, and you can just go up and down. Just cool. It's a very quiet one, which is nice. Okay, let's keep, let's arrange it. Okay, your turn. Close your eyes. Okay. Oh, I know what you're trying to get. Pop it! It's a popsicle pop it. Let me help you. Oh, whoa, you're strong. Okay, you pop it. You pop it first. Go. I popped the neck. Can I pop the other side?
No.
Ah, I don't want to. Satisfying.
I never have poppets.
It's cool, right? It's a popsicle. You pop 3. Okay, my turn. Ready? Not yet. Okay, so here it is. It's, what colors are there, Avery?
Green, pink.
I don't think that's green, Avery. I think it's yellow. Well, green is like yellow-ish.
Okay, with the opposite.
Okay, my turn to pick the next one. Okay, but can I just do something? Satisfying.
That's that.
Which side?
You have to go. Turn around.
Yes, I have. So my turn to... Oh, yeah. Pop tubes! Okay. Okay, wait. Pop another one. Ready? Pop another one. Okay, I'm so sorry. I don't think we should do this when our parents are sleeping. Or they'll be like, no, we're trying to sleep. Okay, this is so satisfying. Also, like, you hear that? Can you combine these? I think you can. You can like do like fun shapes. Yeah, I love this so far.
Yeah. I think you connect.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, we forgot to rate the other ones, Avery. What do you give the other ones? What do you give the marble mash?
10 to 10.
10 out of 10. I give it like 8, I guess. It's nice. Oh, I give the pop it 8.5. How about you?
8.5.
I give this a 9 because it's kind of loud, but it's really satisfying. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, they connect. Oh, I have the best idea in the world. Kind of.
Connect.
The other side.
Mine connect.
Oh, that's gonna pull. You connect them?
You just have to twist.
Avery, what?
You just have to twist.
Yeah, keep satisfying.
I can do this when our parents are sleeping.
No. Wait, don't move on to the next one yet, Avery.
I'm popping it.
No, well, wait, Avery.
Uh,
You gotta wait.
Okay.
Avery, you gotta wait. Wait. Here, you wanna pull this together or no? Or I'll pull it. Ready? You pull that side. 3. Let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1. I don't think that worked. Well, I got another idea. Wait. Avery. Oops. No. Bad. My fault. I'm just blaming the poppets, but the pop tubes. Okay, ready? Avery, do it at the same time. Look. Avery, look. Avery, look. Satisfying. Okay, we're done with that.
My turn.
You try it. Okay, I'll pull these up.
Pineapple.
Oh, yes, I love that. Okay, you pop it first, and I'll pop it next. Okay, pop that side, and I'll pop the next side. That's a quiet side. Do you want me to pop it first so you can pop the other side? Put it right here on the table, Avery.
No, I don't
Okay.
pop the loud part. Wait, this one's golden.
I don't know.
Wait, we can put a marble in here.
I don't know.
Here you go. I like the jumbo.
Okay, it's my turn now.
Oh.
I gave that. How would you give this out of 10? I give it a 8.
A 6. A 1.
A 1.
6.
A 6. Okay, so you don't like it that much?
Yeah.
I give it like
A 10. A 10 out of 10.
Okay. Yes, this one. Wacky track slash snap and click. Wacky track.
Mine.
There's another one. You hear that? So satisfying.
Wait, and that. Oh.
Wait, can I borrow that for a second? Thank you. No. I want her
Does
to
it
connect
connect?
them. Yes.
Like a circle.
We'll try it. I don't know if I can do it. Alright, I'm not the strongest person.
Only my parents.
Oh, I did it! Finally! And now it's a humongous one. Wait, can you connect this one? Okay, let's see if I can do it again. It's called Snap and Click. This is Snaps and Click. Or a Wacky Track. Oh, I did it. And then now it's humongous.
It's like a circle.
Satisfying.
Circle.
Yeah, it's a circle. I like this. What do you give it out of 10?
10 to 1.
1 to 10. I gave it a 9. How about you?
9.
9 too? Okay, my turn to pick then. Yeah.
Okay, there.
This one. Oh yeah.
Is it here?
Yeah. It's an infinity cube. You know what this is? Here. You like flip it around and it keeps going and going.
We have another
Wait,
one.
can we just show them the details? Like, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, this is the poppet. It's a pineapple. Cute. And this is the wacky track. There's green and orange and blue and orange. You like it? It's kind of hard at first, right? Can I try? Okay, how would you rate it? Yeah, what do you rate it out of 10?
8.
I give it an 8. How about you, Avery? It just keeps on going like that.
My turn.
Pretty cool. Okay, let's go, Avery. pad. That's so cool. So, oh, there's an even. Okay, wait, can you show them the design, Avery? Can you show them first?
No.
Okay, so like show them the design, Avery. Like, so this is the design, and then they're like different things. Wait just a sec, Avery. There's like different things on them. Like this one's like a controller.
Yeah.
And then what else? Like a joystick.
This,
and
no,
then
I
on
want
the
to see the colors.
sides.
I want to tell them. Green, red, yellow, blue.
And then after, can I show something? And then there's like these like rolly things, and then like a joystick.
I had the
And
golden
then
one.
this thing, I'm not really
I
sure.
saw a golden
And then
ring.
like,
I had a
and
golden
then it
ring.
spins,
I
which
had
is
a
cool.
golden ring.
What do you give this out of 10?
I had a golden ring.
I give this a 7.
A 10 and a 1.
It's good. Oh, that's so cool. I like that. And then this can connect on to it. Cool. Put it over here. Okay, my turn to pick. No, it's your turn, right? Yeah, it's your turn.
Yeah, because I already picked that one.
Oh, it's my turn then. Oh, yeah. Monkey noodles. Okay. I don't know why they're called monkey. There's 3. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, monkey noodles. I have no idea why these are called monkey noodles, but or noodlies, I guess. There's a couple names. These are like mini noodles because there's like thicker ones.
They're noodle stringers.
Noodle stringers. Be careful. Can't whack each other in the face. Okay, so what colors are there, Avery? What colors are there? What colors?
They're pink, blue, and glow in the dark green.
Okay, Avery, hold that end, and then, no, hold that end. Ready? Hold that end. There you go. Stretch, look how pretty. Okay, now let's put that on the side.
My turn.
Okay, it's your turn to pick one. Oh, acupressure rings. Those are cool. So, how many are there, Avery? How many are there? How many are there?
There are 4.
Yeah, there's
like me
these,
4, like me.
silver.
There's like me ring.
Yeah, that's what you do, Avery. It's an acupressure ring. So, oh no, I guess like no. You just go like that and stuff.
I did that.
Yeah, kind of satisfying.
I
It
did
feels
both of
cool.
them. Look.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to show them the gold one. And this is the monkey noodles. They're like really thin.
10 to 1. 10 to 1. 10.
I rate those. I guess it's
10 to 1. 10 to 1.
I rate this.
Look, guys.
70.
I did the same time. I did.
Nice. Okay, put them over there. Did you show them the color? Let's get that. Thank you. Cool.
I said 10 to 1.
10 to 1? Okay, my turn.
Wait. Fine. That's good.
No, it's just like this. I guess this one. Oh, a bike chain. That is so
A bike
cool.
chain?
That's what it's called. Wait, can we show them first, Avery? Let's show it to them. So it's there's like these blue buttons on them. So it's like that. And you like spin it around in your fingers and stuff. Kind of hot. Okay, nope, never mind, got it. Pretty cool. Gets a little practice. When you get the hang of it, it gets really easily. Okay, go, Avery. I'll put it right there. Yes, monkeys. Yes.
Wait, we
Okay.
got this.
Yeah, well, I'll do that last, and then we're gonna do the jumbo one. Okay, so let's unbox them. Oh, I guess.
And plastic, I have.
Oh, there. Oh, what is this? What is it? It's like a worm and it's white. Okay.
Hey, watch out.
Okay, sorry. Okay, what can I? You want me to help you?
Bunny.
Yes. Oh, what is this? I have no idea, but there's this one. It's green. I don't know what it is, so yeah. Oh, look at the fish. I think. Or a beta fish. So here's this one. It's like a fish.
Ew!
Avery, I don't know what it is.
work.
Oh, this is my favorite one so far. It's a bunny. Okay, show them.
Is it for me?
Show them. It's a bunny. Can I have this for a minute, favorite? Look, it's a bunny. It's kind of squished, but that's okay. And it can stretch and like just play now.
Squish.
What do you give it out of 10?
Stretch.
What do you give it out of 10? I give it a 6.
I give it a 6. I get it a 10 because I can stretch it.
You like it a lot? Okay, I guess it's my turn, and I'm just gonna get the pea pod. It's a pea pod. Okay, take one. So it's a pea pod. It's like that, and then after you can like push like the little peas, which is pretty cool. Okay, wait, there.
How do you push
That one has a face. The other two doesn't.
I can't squish it.
Can't?
Mommy.
Yeah, sometimes it's a little hard. So here is that face. Yep. Nope. It's on my side. Whoops.
For my son, for me.
So what do you give these ones?
Wait, that's really good.
Oh, what? There's 3. Oh, so never mind. There was actually 5 of these. Cool.
My turn.
Oh, I wonder what you're gonna get. The jumbo puppet. Actually, this is like, there's even jumbo, like humongous ones.
More like, their Among Us one is really giant.
Yes.
Oh, really giant, more giant.
Okay, what's the can you just show them first? Oops. So there's this. What are the colors, Avery?
Yeah, gonna be blue, pink, white, blue, 2 blue, 2 pinks, and 1 white.
Okay, now let's pop it together because there's a big one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, pop. This is like the quiet side.
Whoa!
Yes, I know. Let's just finish this one. I think it's a quiet side. I'm not sure. No. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. You can go. Okay.
Hey, talking up.
It's my neighbor's on a race. Just finish all of it and we're going to do the loud side, I think. You pop those ones. Yeah.
No, I want to press the last one.
Oh, there's the last one.
No.
Okay, now let's... Avery, not yet. We're doing the other side now. Okay, ready? 3, 2, and go. That is so good.
Okay,
Satisfying. Oh, okay. Do you want to teach them my Pop-It game? So, what do you give this out of 10?
10, 20.
10 out of 10. I love it. Okay, so we're going to teach you guys a Pop-It game.
A Papa game?
Yes. I don't know if Avery knows this game, but I learned it. So, how it works is me and Avery are going to take turns, and we're going to pop how many ever bubbles.
I want to be the loud one.
We're going to pop how many ever bubbles we want, and then whoever pops the last bubble, I guess loses? This is going to be a quick one. Ready? I'm going to go first. Okay, go. Go. Okay, my turn. Okay, go.
What are you doing?
Go. Okay. Get it. Okay, my turn. Okay, go.
No.
Okay, well, I lose because I popped the last bubble. Sad. So, I guess that's it for today.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, wait. We're going to have to show them all the things that we got. Avery, no. Wait, Avery, keep them where they are. Okay, so, this is a, dimple fidget spinner. There. Okay, there. And this one is marble mash. So like that.
I call Mom.
Yeah. So this is marble mash. And then these are pop tubes. there are some green ones and yellow ones. And then here are bike chains. It's a blue one. You want to help me? No, okay. You can just chill there. So here's the blue one. And then these are pea pods. There. They're green. They have faces on them. Well, except for there's one. And then there's paw pits. This is the quiet side, but still not bad. And then these are mochis. There's a bunny, a worm. I don't really know what that is, but yeah. And a fish. There's white and green. And then here's the pineapple poppet. Oh, by the way, this is a poppet. And this is mochi. And here's a poppet. Satisfying. And then after, here's a wacky track. There's two of them. There's two of them. There's a green and orange one, and an orange and blue one.
Hey, not getting up.
Or snap and click. Because you can click this. And then an infinity cube. Which is pretty cool. Oops. There. And I like the colors of these ones. There. Infinity cube. And a fidget pad. So here's like the joystick. And here. And then after there's like these rolly thingies, which is pretty cool. And then there's like a switch. And then like a rolly thing. And then after it goes, woo! Okay. And then it comes with this, so if you want to like I guess put it in the backpack or something. And then here's monkey noodles. There's 3 of them. And you can like stretch with them and stuff. And just play with them in your hand. And here's and here's like the colors of it.
I want to say the last.
Okay, say it. No, this is the last one. You can say this one if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is actually your pressure rings. You just put them in your like I guess fingers and stuff, which is pretty cool. And then there are 3 gold ones and 2 white silver ones. So there's 5. And then here's the jumbo poppet. Okay, show them. What are they, Avery? Yeah, pop it, and you just pop them like what Avery's been doing the whole entire time. So that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to always be notified when you have a new video like this. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye!